Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover EA account without email or password. Firstly, you need to open any of the browser that you prefer. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down EA Game Support and enter it. And here you need to go to this EA Help Official Support. Click over here. And once you're inside this help support, scroll a bit down. You need to click onto this EA account support. And over here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this contact us and click onto this contact us. And after that, you'll get this assistance beside it. Here, you can enter the message that you want to recover your EA account and you need to type down your email address as well. Over here, you need to chat with the EA assistants. You can type down your email or support case and tell them clearly when the assistants open. And that is it. This is how you can recover e-account without email or password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.